Cell block secure.
Now, ain't you the one? Ah, never mind. I'm Trevor. I hooked up the scam. Warden's got a boat. We gonna take it out of here. Just gotta take it from... Use that C4 to get the guards in the towers.
Where do you think you're going? You're gonna have to fight me if you want to leave. I'll kick your ass.